Welcome to this video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer, and this is a question that we get pretty frequently, and it's about the personal or biographical information on your credit report. And we cover this in detail in session 2 of our webinar series that you can find at howtofixcreditreporterrors.com. But I wanted to give you kind of the quick version here. So this is a 3-bucket method of fixing your personal or biographical information. First of all, what is personal or biographical information on a credit report? Well, the first 3 items, name, date of birth, social security, that is unique to you, okay? And then the last 3 are things that are true about you. So where do you live? What's your phone number? Place of employment? And for all of those, we use this 3-bucket approach. So just imagine each piece of information you pick up, whether it's a spelling of your name or your date of birth or your address or your phone number or your place of employment, whatever it might be. The first bucket is simply correct. This is correct. This is accurate. This is true right now. So all of those pieces of information would go there. And then as you write to the credit bureaus to dispute false information, you first tell them what's true. So here's my correct name. Now you may have more than one version of your name that's correct. Okay? You may have more than one address. But whatever it is, you tell them correct. And then the second bucket or second category is information that is wrong now, but it used to be correct. So you used to live at this address, or you used to have this phone number. You used to have this name, but it's no longer correct. And normally you would ask that that be deleted. In other words, there's no reason to have a landline on a house that I sold 15 years ago. Okay, there's no reason for that to be on my credit report. And then you have this final bucket or category, and that is, this is the information that has always been wrong. So my name is John Watts, W-A-T-T-S. Well, if they have John Wall, that's always been wrong. That's never been my name. Certainly not my name now. Or John White, that's never been my name. It's always been wrong. If they have an address in Portland, I've never lived in Portland. That would always be wrong. And for example, the credit bureaus right now, at least 2 of them, I'm disputing this, they have my work address as my home address. That's never been my home address. So I want that off. Okay. And so under this wrong but used to be correct category, this middle category or bucket, well, those would be places that I lived. My rule is more than 2 years ago. Okay. So if there's a place, if I lived at 123 Main Street, 1 year and 9 months ago, then I would not dispute that. But if it's a place where I lived 3 years ago or 5 years ago, I would dispute that it's incorrect. I mean, it used to be correct, but now it's wrong. And so this is just a way of thinking about the information. You just, in a very methodical way, pick up each piece of information and say, is this correct now? Okay, make a note of that. Is this wrong? But it used to be correct. It's still wrong. Okay, and then this was never correct. It was always wrong. And so if you're interested in going a little deeper on this and getting the tools that we provide, just go to that free webinar, howtofixcreditreporterrors.com, and you can sign up. Now, we have the 4th session coming up this Thursday, but if you'll just, when you get the automated email, just reply back to me and say, hey, can you send me the first 3 episodes as well as the tools that we use, and I'll be happy to send that to you. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.